this offer is relevant for you. But if you're watching this video after 31st of August 2022, now check out the link is in the description for the different Kajabi offer. Hello everyone, this is Shafquan. So one Kajabi offer is rolling out. We will talk about it. But before that, let me tell you something about Kajabi. Okay. Now, what is Kajabi? So some of you may don't know what is Kajabi. So Kajabi is all-in-one business platform. No need messy integration inside Kajabi or prior tech skills required. So I'm using Kajabi. I'm not a techie person. Okay. So I'm using Kajabi to build my online business very smoothly. Okay. So you can build your online business with Kajabi without tech headache. Okay. Now I said Kajabi is an all-in-one business platform. What I mean by that? Okay. Let me show you something. So with Kajabi, what you can do so many things. Okay. So let me tell you, you can create professional online courses, membership sites. You can build membership sites, coaching programs, podcasts, websites, landing pages, emails and automations, sales funnels, webinars. You can host webinars, even mobile app experience. Let's suppose you have an online course and you want your students to experience mobile based learning experience. You can definitely do that, right? Because Kajabi has mobile app. All right. So, and there are also so many things inside Kajabi. So that's why I said Kajabi is an all-in-one business platform. Okay. So now let me tell you about the Kajabi crazy offer, which is rolling out. Now, what are the offer? You all got to know. So Kajabi is giving 3 months for one payment of $99. Now this is, if you calculate in Indian currency, that would be 7,800. Okay, so this is one-time payment. Once you complete the payment of $99, you will get Kajabi for 3 months. Okay, so you'll get Kajabi for 3 months. Now this offer is rolling on from 1st of August to 31st of August 2022. So I uploaded this video on YouTube on 2nd of August. So if you're watching this video from in between of 2nd August to 31st August, so you can avail this offer. You can find this link. Okay, go to this link www.dnlhub.com/Kajabi99. Now, if you are watching this video after 31st of August, now check out the link is in the description for different Kajabi offers. Okay, now this is my link. If you go through my link, I'll give you bonuses. Now, what are the bonuses? Let me tell you. I'll give you one personal coaching call on Zoom. That would be 30 minutes. So you can use my experience. So what I have experienced so far using Kajabi. Okay. So through my experience, I can help you set up your system. So I'll give you one personal coaching call on Zoom, 30 minutes, and I'll give you access to private Facebook group and support system. All right. So let me show you. Once you click on this link, what will happen? Once you click on this link, www.dnlhub.com/Kajabi, link is in the description. Once you click on the link, it will open this page. Okay, so you can read out all these things here. I'm giving you the bonuses, right? So once you sign up and complete the payment of $99, instantly you will receive email of this both links, one-on-one personal meeting Zoom link, and you can book. Click on this link through email and you can book, and you will also get the link in email through of private Facebook group. All right, so just click here, avail the deal, and it will open this page. You can read out all here like this. These creators became profitable on Kajabi faster than they could have imagined. So you can read out all these things, and at the end there are some FAQs, frequently asked questions. So you might be thinking, so what is Kajabi, right? So you can read out all these things. Why choose Kajabi? How does Kajabi help me build my online business? So you can read all that FAQs, and finally you can take decision. All you have to do, just click here. Okay, once you click here, so you can sign up, and once you complete the payment, you will receive instantly my email, so with two bonuses link. Okay, so if you are watching this video in between from 2nd of August to 31st of August, now this offer is relevant for you. But if you're watching this video after 31st of August 2022, now check out the link is in the description for the different Kajabi offer. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, subscribe, because I make videos related to online tools, so that you can build your online business. All right, so like this video, subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.